Hi, I am Pablo Benvenuto, and I would like to welcome you to this online DataLink workshop by OSI Soft. This workshop is designed for the professional who needs to learn how to use key components of the Pi system but doesn't have the time to travel to a training center. The workshop is 100% online, designed to be flexible and to work around your schedule, covering the topics that you need to get your job done right and done quickly. The workshop is designed to be completed in 2 weeks. There will be a start and end date. However, during the workshop, there are no lectures scheduled for a specific time, but rather for a specific time range. That means you consume the instruction when you have the time. You can designate your own schedule. Take a few minutes here and there, or do it after work. It is up to you when you can learn. You just need to submit all of your work by the deadline. Upon completion of the workshop, you will receive a certificate from OSI Soft. The outline and the content material can be accessed in the OSI Soft user community, and it consists of videos, learning labs, and quizzes. For your convenience, the content is divided into 8 modules that are approximately 30 minutes long. While the learning labs and the quizzes are optional, they are highly valuable to help you develop important skills that you would use at work. During the workshop, we will use the OSI Soft user community as the main point of contact for all of your questions and feedback. By using the community during the workshop, you will have access to advice and coaching from experienced OSI Soft professionals to ask questions, get clarification, or just chat about the product. Our goal is to give you a valuable skill to use immediately. With that goal in mind, the workshop centers around a capstone assignment that is completed using your skills with your data. The capstone assignment is designed to help you immediately apply and get value from what you learn in this workshop. To successfully complete this assignment, you must create an actual report, an analysis, or some other tool with Excel and DataLink that you will actually use at work and that contains your production data. Now, if this is not available to you, you will have to request access to the virtual learning environment where you can complete the capstone project. Your project must have a minimum level of complexity determined by the number of DataLink features you use, the number of Pi tags involved, the amount of data involved, and the presentation and formatting of the report. You are encouraged to start thinking about your capstone assignment on day 1 and to select a project before the second week of the workshop. This assignment must be completed and submitted before the end of the workshop. If you submit production data, it will never be shared with other students or individuals, and it will be reviewed only by the OSI Soft instructor. All materials will be permanently destroyed at the end of the workshop. Contact your instructor if you have any questions about your project. OSI Soft will not provide installation kits for the software used in class. Each student will be responsible for either installing their own licensed copy of the software or getting access to the virtual learning environment. We expect that you would use your own software to complete the exercises, so you get the most value out of this Pi DataLink workshop. We understand that in some cases this may not be possible. Either you don't have the software that you need, or you are prohibited from using your data or systems. In these instances, you can take advantage of the OSI Soft virtual learning environment. As part of the Pi DataLink workshop, you have the opportunity to use a 15-day subscription to the virtual learning environment. If you do not have access to your own copy of the software or your own data, send an email to your instructor, and your instructor will give you access to the OSI Soft virtual learning environment where you can complete all the work. If you will not have access to your production environment, request access to the virtual learning environment before the workshop starts. Get your OSI Soft user community login ahead of time and participate frequently during the workshop. Complete your capstone assignment before the end of the workshop. And if you have any questions, contact your instructor right away to get help. We hope that you enjoy this DataLink workshop.